Even one fatality. Supreme Court questions Andhra over class 12 exams. The Andhra Pradesh government will be held responsibilities if there is even one fatality as a result of holding in session class 12 exams next month. The Supreme Court said Thursday. The court also said it may order compensation amounting to rupees 1 crore in the event of any deaths. If there is even one fatality, we may order compensation amounting to rupees 1 crore when other board had cancelled. Why does Andhra Pradesh want to show it is different? A two-member bench of justices A.M. Khanvilkar and Dinesh Maheshwari says this morning. These are states giving 1 crore as compensation to families of those who died. We may keep this amount for Andhra Pradesh also. The court added as it asked the state why it is necessary to hold classroom exams when there were new and aggressive variant of COVID-19 in circulation. Record vaccination, a test case for government to reach milestone of 1 crore doses a day. The record 88 lakh COVID-19 vaccine doses administered on June 21st has served as a test case, a proof of concept, so to speak, for an even bigger target for the central government, that of 1 crore doses a day. This is not just a theoretical target for the center, with two senior officials who are part of this vaccination strategy telling Money Control that authorities are working towards that number and hope to reach the milestone by late July. However, the officials also admit the challenges on the supply side remain, but they expected to get better over the coming weeks. If the supply steadies, then we can do it by late July. The logistic test of delivering one more vaccines, the proof of concept, has happened on 21st June. Administratively speaking, we have shown it can be done, supply permitted, said one of the officials cited above. Punjab crisis. Set deadline for poll promises. Capt Amarinder told. Rahul Gandhi met Sunil Jakhar. Congress President Sonia Gandhi will decide on the Punjab government and party revitalization by July 8 to 10. AICC General Secretary in charge of the state, Harish Rawal, said on Wednesday after meeting Rahul Gandhi here. Rawal said the AICC panel had submitted its report to the Congress chief on structural, organizational and political issues related to Punjab. Her decision on the matter will come by July 8 to 10, he noted. Coca-Cola bottling plant at heart of Kerala agitation 20 years ago will now be a 600-bed COVID hospital. This 34-acre patch of land in Palakkad first made headlines over 2 decades ago when it was chosen as a site of a Coca-Cola plant, marketing the soft drink giant's high-profile entry into Kerala. But soon it was back in the news at the center of a massive agitation by local residents who complained of heavy pollution and groundwater exploitation. Finally, in 2004, Coca-Cola pulled down the shutters and the location near the hamlet in Pachimada faded into obscurity. On Friday, the plant will be back under the spotlight when the state government opens the door of a new 600-bed COVID facilities there. Fake vaccine probe after MP Mimi Chakraborty gets jab at suspected event. A man who allegedly pretended to be an IAS officer and supervised thousands of vaccinations in Kolkata was arrested on Wednesday after he was exposed reportedly when Trinamool Congress MP Mimi Chakraborty took a COVID shot at his camp. The frightening possibility of fake vaccines given to hundreds of people has led to a bigger investigation by the Kolkata police. Mimi Chakraborty complained to the police when she received no official confirmation after taking the vaccine. The actor politician had gone as a chief guest to the vaccination camp organized by the arrested man, Debanjan Dev, in South Calcutta. Patient bitten by rat in Mumbai Civic Hospital dies. Probe launched. A 24-year-old patient who was bitten by a rat near his eye at a Civic-run hospital in Suburban Ghatkopar has died at a medical facility, BMC officials said. The patient was suffering from alcohol-related liver diseases and was in a very critical condition since the day of his admission in the Rajawadi hospital, they said, adding that he died on Wednesday. On Tuesday, a relative of the patient alleged that a rat had bitten near his eye when he was admitted to the ICU of hospital, prompting Mumbai Mayor Kishori Pednekar to order a probe into the matter. The hospital management had confirmed the rat bite incident but said injuries were superficial and patient's eye was not affected. According to the officials, the patient was brought to the hospital in an unconscious state. On Tuesday, reacting to the rat bite incident, the Hospital's Dean, Dr. Vidya Thakur, had said they have taken some rodent repellent measures and will take utmost care to avoid such incidents. United Breweries share worth over 5,800 crores sold in Vijay Mallya case. The DRT has sold shares worth over 5,800 crore of United Breweries Limited that were earlier attached under the anti-money laundering law as part of an alleged bank fraud probe against fugitive liquor baron Vijay Mallya, the enforcement directorate said on Wednesday. Further realization of 800 crore by sale of shares is expected by June 25th, the Central Probe Agency said in a statement. Recently, it said the agency had transferred shares attached by it to the SBI LED consortium as per order of the Special Prevention of Money Laundering Act Mumbai. Today, DRT on behalf of SBI LED consortium has sold shares of United Breweries Limited for 5,824.50 crore, the enforcement directorate said. Windows 11 launch event today. How to watch live streams, expected features and more. Windows 11 launch is set to take place today. Microsoft is hosting a live stream of its next generation Windows event where it is expected to unveil the new Windows operating system. The next Windows update will be successor to Windows 10, which was launched back in 2015. A recently leaked ISO revealed that Windows 11 will come with an all-new interface and animation effects. There will be an upgrade start menu that comes at the bottom center of a screen by default. Windows 11 is also expected to come as a free upgrade to Windows 10 ahead of official announcements. Hear everything you need about the Windows 11 event. Staff reporter Simran Basu.